Hey y'all, it's Lacey Greniger with Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty, and welcome to 1410 Buckhead Drive on Lake Oconee. This one-of-a-kind lake house has tons of southern charm and room for your whole family, so let's go take a look inside. The first thing you notice when you walk through the front door is this awesome lake view off of your back porch. Then as you start to look around, you'll notice multiple spaces for entertaining. We have an eat-in kitchen here, also a formal dining room off of the foyer. You have two separate living spaces here, but they're all open and the flow is just great right into this kitchen. So over here in your kitchen, you'll notice that there's plenty of countertop space, tons of storage in your cabinets, and you just overlook the lake here. There's no complaining about washing dishes when you can look out and see Lake Oconee. But really, if you want to host Thanksgiving, family reunions, there's no lack of space to prep all the meals and feed all of your family. Off of the kitchen, you'll find this hallway down to another entrance to the house, and we have this great office space. Now, I always say, hopefully you don't have to work too much when you're at the lake, but just in case you do, you have this space that's set away from the main part of the house, and you can enjoy some quiet work time over here. Also on this side of the house is another room over the garage. Coming back through, we have the laundry room here, additional cabinet space for storage, and speaking of storage, this whole lower level here is an awesome storage space. We'll get there in a minute. Right now I want to show you the spacious master suite where we have tons of natural light. The bathroom is right behind you there, where we have a stand-up separate shower, dual vanities, and a spacious soaking tub. There's also a walk-through closet right off the bathroom there. What I love about this master suite is this great screen porch right off of the bedroom, so you can wake up, come outside, enjoy a cup of coffee, and look out at the lake. Off of the screen porch, you'll find this spacious big back deck that gives you beautiful views of the lake and plenty of room to continue entertaining. One thing that makes this house so unique is the fact that it has 4 bedrooms on the main level. So we already saw the master bedroom. The remaining 3 are this way. 2 of the bedrooms share a bathroom, and then there's an additional guest suite, which is spacious, has lake views, its very own balcony, and its own adjacent bathroom. So now that we've checked out all of the bedrooms, let's take it down to the terrace level. Down here on the terrace level, we have another living space and a full bathroom. Now this full bathroom is perfect for people coming in and off the lake. They don't have to go through the main part of the house to use the restroom. This space can be utilized as additional bedrooms or just another living space where you can come down, play some games, and just enjoy living the lake life. Let's take it outside to the dock. Now that we're outside, you can check out this beautiful Max dock. Now this is a low maintenance dock. It's made with vinyl. It has railing, which is great for people of all ages to get down and get on the boat. This house includes a boat lift. And let me just tell you about where we're located. We are 1 cove away from the Ritz-Carlton. This is the Richland side of the lake, which is a highly sought after area on Lake Oconee. The water maintains this beautiful green color year round, and you can't beat the tranquility of this beautiful, peaceful cove. So when you have a lake house, you've got a bunch of lake toys, and where are you supposed to put them? Well, remember that storage area I told you about earlier? It's the perfect spot for all of your lake toys. Come check it out. Thank you so much for taking the time to go on this tour with me today of 1410 Buckhead Drive in Greensboro, Georgia. For more information on this lakefront house on Lake Oconee, visit my website, lifesgoodonlakeoconee.com.